We've been nominated for Best Zoo and Best Zoo Exhibit in the U.S., which is really exciting, in USA Today's 10 Best Readers' Choice Awards. And you can vote for Cheyenne Mountain Zoo and Rocky Mountain Wild every single day through Monday, March 6th at cmz.org/10best.
Last year, you guys got third.
Yes.
This year, we want gold.
Yeah.
So people know how to do it. I want to specifically talk about the giraffes here, because this is almost the first thing that you see when you walk in.
Right.
Is this tower. A tower is a group of giraffes. I've learned this morning. You get to feed them lettuce. They love being fed. Wednesday's back there. She's the newest addition to the tower.
Yes.
She occasionally will pop her head up. But these guys are going what you described as silently extinct, which I did not expect to hear about giraffes. I thought they were really thriving in the wild, and that's not the case.
It's not, and a lot of people think that because you see so many of them in zoos. They're doing pretty well in human care, but they are struggling due to habitat loss and other reasons in the wild. So we work with other zoos accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums on programs called species survival plans, and giraffe are one of those species that benefit from those programs. So we have species survival plan experts that basically they track the genetics of giraffe population in human care, because when we're breeding, we want the most diverse genetics possible.
We don't want a bunch of weird giraffes out here that are inbred or anything like that.
We want to keep them as healthy as possible and keep that really diverse, like you said. And so they will make recommendations on females and males that have underrepresented genes in that population, and then it's up to the zoos to work together to transfer animals between zoos. And then of course, even if you have a recommendation to breed, the individuals might not want to. So then the zoos work to create environments that are comfortable for them and follow their lead on it.
And the giraffes here are very much food motivated. You can see I ran out of lettuce, and she was like, bye, see ya. Before we wrap up, send it back to the studio, I want to talk a little bit about how 75 cents from every person who visits the zoo goes towards what?
Yes, Quarters for Conservation. Since 2008, we've been doing this. 75 cents from every admission goes towards one of our legacy conservation partners. There are 6. It's when you come in the zoo and you put your quarters in the kiosk, you can vote for which program you want us to support, and we share that love. We also have staff go over and support some of these opportunities, transferring wild animals, for example. We've had staff go over and help establish new populations of giraffe in safer habitats so that they're not all in one threatened habitat.
So the work that you're doing here is vital to the giraffe population, which again, I'm just learning is not doing so great on its own.
Right.
That website, again, if people want to vote for you guys so you can get that top zoo award, is what?
It's cmz.org/10best.